First of all, I wish you a happy Health Organization Day. Today we have to know about how we keep our health, and health is key point to the happiness. Hence, first of all, we know about brain. Brain is truly most amazing part of the body. It comes up with creative ways to express our thoughts and emotions, coordinates movement, and from chopping onions to running and abstracting stores your most precious childhood memories, and solves the Sunday crossword. How to keep our brain fit? Healthy heart, plenty of quality sleep, do digital detox, dump your worries, spend a moment meditating, move your body, eat well, be social, trying to know new things. Brain is well protected from most damages. It sits inside a hard bony skull, layers of membrane and fluid provided extra padding. Brain health is a critical piece of overall health of underlies your ability to communicate, making decisions, solve problems, and a productive and useful life. Brain controls the most of daily functions. It is the most valuable organ in our human body. And then we know about heart. Heart is a muscular organ. It is in size of our fist. Heart is an important organ in blood circulating system, which is situated between two lungs. Our heart pumps blood through a network of blood vessels called arteries and veins, which are nearly 60,000 miles long. The blood pumped by heart carries oxygen and supplies nutrients to body parts. It also carries waste such as carbon dioxide to our lungs, excess urea to kidneys, and unwanted harmful drugs to the kidney. Human heart has 4 chambers that are 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Muscles of our heart are auto-excitable. Since it has many electrical impulses, our heartbeats are not regulated by our brain. Our heart can pump nearly 80,000 liters per day, blood per day. By pumping 5 liters of blood every minute, it can beat 72 to 80 times per minute and 150,000 times per day. It is interesting to know that our heartbeat changes according to the music we are listening to. Many studies by researchers shown that music improves the health of heart by reducing blood pressure, pain and anxiety. Male heart attack symptoms differ from female heart attack symptoms. Nausea, indigestion, shoulder aches are seen in female, whereas chest pain is observed in males. By taking proper diet and doing good exercise, we keep our heart healthy. Avoid junk food, don't drink and don't smoke. Take seasonal fruits and vegetables for healthy heart. And then we know about our lungs. Lungs are the pair of sponges, pinkish and grey organs located in chest. When we breathe in, the air enters into lungs and oxygen from the air moves to our blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood to the lungs, and when we breathe out. There are more respiratory organs such as in our organism, like lower vertebrates and inner vertebrates. There are gills and lungs. What is the difference between gills and lungs? It means that gills are special vascular structures called gills, and they are used by respiration. Now, lungs are the most aquatic arthropods and molluscs, whereas vascularized bags are called lungs. Lungs are used by the terrestrial forms for the exchange of gases. Examples of lungs-breathing animals are birds and mammals. Respirate through lungs. Amphibians like frogs, it means that they live in terrestrial forms and aquatic forms. They respire through their moist skin. It is known as cutaneous respiration. Lungs occupy the great part of the thoracic cavity. Lungs are covered by double-layered membrane. It is known as pleura, with pleural fluid between them. The lungs are situated in the thoracic chamber, which is anatomically an airtight chamber. The functions of lungs are: the main function of lungs is the process of gaseous exchange. It is known as respiration or breathing. In respiration, oxygen from Incoming air enters to the blood and carbon dioxide, a waste gas from the metabolism, it leaves the blood. The disorders that occurs the lungs is asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and then occupational lung diseases. They are siderosis, silicosis, asbestosis, and black lung disease. And then about kidney. Kidneys are bean-shaped, chocolate brown in color, lying in the abdomen. The waste products produced due to metabolic activities or by excess ingestion here to be removed totally. Hypothalamus regulates kidney function. An adult human excretes an average of 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. The urine formed is light yellow color watery fluid which is slightly acidic. The pH range of urine is 6.0 and average 2.5 to 30 grams of urea is excreted per day. Nephrons are the structure and functional units of kidney. It collects metabolic waste from water and sends it out of the body in the form of urine. And then we know about the human endocrine system. The endocrine glands of human beings are well studied than those of any other animal because of their role in the maintenance of human health. The endocrine glands and the hormone producing diffused tissues or cells located in the different parts of human body. Now we clearly discuss about pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is an important part of endocrine system. It secretes 9 different hormones, 5 of which control major body functions directly, while the remaining 4 trigger other glands to release hormones for their own. First of all, we discuss about the growth hormone. Growth hormone, it is also known as somatotropin. It stimulates the growth in bones, making the body grow longer. Also, they produce insulin-like growth factors. And then prolactin. Prolactin is also known as lactogenic hormone. Prolactin stimulates the mammary glands in females to produce milk in the period of post-pregnancy. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormones